Hi, want to know how to enable or disable mobile hotspot on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, as you can see, we would need to open settings on our phone and then go to this tab which is named connections. Here, we would need to open tab mobile hotspot and tethering, and to enable mobile hotspot, simply click on this slider. Here, as you can see, we would need to turn off Wi-Fi before using the mobile hotspot, so we click turn off and now click on the name of this tab to see more settings. As you can see here, you can see mobile data shared today, and here we got the network settings. So by clicking on it, here we can change the network name, its password, band, and also security. So if we are talking about the network name and password, mobile hotspot is visible for other devices like a Wi-Fi network. So you will open the Wi-Fi tab on other device, they will be able to see Wi-Fi with this name, and to connect to it we would need to enter this password. We can change both of these by just clicking here, deleting the old one and entering a new one. Here, next setting that we got here is a band, and if you are having some troubles with connecting to this exact mobile hotspot, you can try switching from 2.4 to 5 GHz. And now we can click save, and all of these have been saved. And this is basically it. Now to disable the mobile hotspot, click on the slider, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.